Hi all, welcome to MTP Academy. My name is Murugesh, and let's discuss about the market outlook, what we can predict in coming week, and which stocks we can shortlist and make a basket to trade in a long and a short also. Okay, let's start. Let's begin with the Nifty analysis. Look at this daily chart first of all. Okay, monthly there is no issue; it is above 60. But the thing is that last month it made a dozy, okay, and it has to cross 22 163 65, and after that only, and it has to be sustained. And the interesting chart in daily time frame, look at this. Already it has been rejected at the same price double bottom, you can say. If it is rejected again at this price, then we can consider this as a triple bottom, okay. But if it is breakout and sustain, then we can consider as a bullish market. But we need 1 or 2 days to sustain the price above this particular 22, 2200 and it has to move 2200, and it has to sustain here, okay. Aggressively we should not go until it is sustained at this particular reason. So just wait and see how it will response with the price and the volume, everything. And if it is sustained here, and in the same time 60 also it will be get cross, so we can consider for the long. Otherwise if it is rejected, then we are think for the, we can think for the shorting purpose. That is also again closing based candle. If it is closed red candle below 2200, and next day if it is give a follow through, definitely we can try for the shorting purpose also, okay. Just wait and see for the Nifty behavior. In case of bank Nifty, okay, monthly it is taking a support at 60, weekly already below 60. And in daily chart again it is very interesting, because if you go like once again, um this, if you see the price, which is you know this was the resistance, but it is breakout. It went to almost 48,600. Again it came back, okay. And here it made a w pattern, right. And if it is you know cross w pattern also, there is a big gap here, right. So even though the W pattern is breakout, there is a gap. That means there is a huge resistance to cross these two levels. One is 47,200 and another one is 4,800. So if in case we need to aggressively trade Bank Nifty, it has to be cross the again 48,600. So just I'm bullish in Nifty if it is sustained above the resistance level. In the same way, until and unless it is crossing 48,000, we have to be very cautious about the market, okay. This is about Bank Nifty. And we can check about the Fin Nifty also. It is similar chart. There is no other view. If it is breakout this level, then we have to wait for the all-time high or 21,600, okay. These two are the similar charts, I can say that one. But interestingly, it has been taken a trend line support here, and there is a chance to be go up. But let's confirm from the market, thereafter we can go aggressively long, okay. Okay, let's discuss about global market, Dow Jones. See, this is definitely a bullish because it is already breakout from the cup pattern. But what is happening now? There are multiple divergence in a day chart. So there could be chance to some retracement over here. Okay, it could come back to 35, 38 200 or this range, I can say that one. But overall it is very good. And weekly if you see, this is a bearish signal, this particular candle. So let's see what will happen in the Dow Jones and Nasdaq. And both are same already, due to divergence in a day. In Nasdaq already it is started showing the signal. If it is crossed this particular trend line, then we can see that it could come back to uh, 16,800 levels, because that will be support again, and from there it could be take a reverse. Okay, but let's see. But my view on global market for coming week is little bearish, or just a small correction and sideway. Okay, and this is what with respect to other indexes also, and it is DAX, it is bullish. Okay, Nikki, it is in a momentum, and it's a good one. There is no sign of weakness. And this one, until crossing this particular Cosby, crossing this particular level, we have already discussed about this, and definitely we have to wait for crossing this level. Okay, let's move to sector view of Indian market. Okay, let's consider auto first, auto sector, because we have a it is a very bullish sector, and we can definitely find the opportunity in uh, nifty auto sector. Okay, there, there is no weakness over here. Okay, it already took a support from 60. Okay, we would have find out the opportunity when 3 days back, when it is took a support from 60. But still we can find out the strong stocks over here and wait for the opportunity, or else if there are opportunity, then we can enter tomorrow, Monday. Okay, Hero Moto, one of the a trending stock, we can say, already come breakout, right? And it has taken a 60 support. See, whenever after a come breakout, we have to wait for the opportunity. For example, it has you know a a breakout at 4,100. After that, this is the first opportunity where it came back to the 60. Okay, before that there was opportunity, but in that particular time it was not broken particularly 4100 levels. But this is a first pullback. This is a good. Okay, so my point is that if it is breakout from 49 or 5,000, then you can start again entering into this particular stock. Okay, let's see how it will behave, because this is a big red candle in this particular zone. We should not try. We have to wait for breakout and for hold this particular reason. Based on that, I mean, based on the confirmation, we can go ahead for the trading this Hero Motocorp. Okay, next one is Bosch. It is look at this, it is at breakout. Okay, 28,300 is a breakout level, and it is with a daily, it is trading with a huge volume. Okay, so uh, we have to observe this how it is going to be behave. Okay, or else we can try with a filter of 4%, is nothing but above 4%. uh, this is a resolution point. Above 4% will be something 29,300. Okay, and you can keep a SL if you are going for a very long trade. Okay, okay, like you can keep a SL at this particular price, like 2,700 or something. Yes, 2000 sorry, 27,700. Okay, you can go long. Okay, you can book you can at least trail for the I mean trade for the 30% from 29,300. Okay, this is what the view about the Bosch. Okay, Tata Motors already we are trading, and last I saw no, same Nifty index chart. It came back to near 60, and it's bounced back. In the same time, in Tata Motors there was a PRD. In daily it was a PRD. PRD is nothing but price used to be hold higher high, but in the same time, uh, RSI used to make a higher low. Okay, you can see here this AB, and here in this trend, these 2 points, it is a higher low, but here in price it is higher high. So this is what how PRD used to be positive. Reverse divergence used to be happen, and it is already started trading, and the target could be 960 to 970. In next week we will come to know that one, whether it will break out this resistance and hold 970, 980 levels. Okay, let's go for M&M. Yes, this is one of the chart which is interesting actually. Why means it is already broken the upper trend line. Okay, and with volume in daily, if you observe, there is a huge volume. Okay, and here in 1800 was a resistance, previous resistance, and it is already trading above 1800. Okay, so let's see how far it will go in a long. If it is not you know sustaining this particular level, then we can book at 1800 or 1760. Okay, already we have a position in this particular M&M stock, actually future holding this one. And let's see how it for go from this particular price. My target for this is 1950. Okay, 1950. And after that we'll see that one next week. By next week, if it is hit 1950, that will be better. Otherwise we can book us stop loss. Current stop loss is 1760. Okay, and entry price was 1800. Okay, let's see how it will trade in coming weeks. Okay, and another stock is Bajaj Auto. Okay, it is completely trending stocks. Okay, then we have to wait for the entry. See, whenever we found a very strong trending stocks, we have to wait for these areas. This is the pullback, right? These are the area where we can get the opportunities. We can't able to trade at this particular price. We have to wait for the pullback near to middle band. Okay, near to 60, or else in RSI, in the 1 hour time frame at 40 support. If you go to 1 hour, there are opportunities. Look at this, there are opportunities here, like it came to near 40 and it started trading. Okay, and again it's took a support at 60 and it started trading. Okay, these are the opportunities where we supposed to be find out, and we have to utilize those. But at present, Bajaj Auto is already move out of our buy price. So let's wait for the opportunity. Okay, Maruti, we know that it is already breakout from the cup pattern, and it came back and it made a CIP, and it is trading well. So we just need to be wait for the opportunity again. It provided a last week. It provided an opportunity where we can enter. It came to 60 and it's bounced back. Okay, these are the opportunities where we supposed to be utilized, and we can encash those opportunities. And TVS, yes, it is a trending stock. Similarly, it came to 40. Look at this, 1939. It came to 40, and from there it is started trading. Almost it went to 2200. Okay, this is also one of the very good trending stocks. Just we have to wait for the opportunity. These kind of areas, wherever there is a pullbacks, this and those are the area where we can encash the opportunities. Apart from that, one, yes, Balkrishna, this is a shorting stock, I can say, because it's already rejected from the 60, and rejected from in weekly 60. But just we have to make sure that whether it will reject from 40 also in weekly. Okay, in that case there will be a huge opportunity for this, because there is a trend line over here and it is having almost 300 points space. If it is rejected, if in case it reject from this area, okay, particular 20 to 80, then we can see 2100 in coming days. Okay, and apart from that, Eicher Motor, this one stock is in a sideway kind of thing. No need to be go ahead with this one. I think we got enough stocks under auto sector. Okay, my first priority will be you know Hero Moto, Tata Motor, okay, and M&M. And Bajaj Auto is there, but we have to wait for the opportunity. But majorly, I am going to be trade these two to three stocks under auto sector. Okay. Uh, let's discuss about Nifty PSU Bank. You know that, I mean, from few weeks I am recommending Nifty PSU Bank stocks, especially, Canara Bank and Bank of Baroda. See, the reason behind that, both the stocks were, breakout from the curve pattern, and within, short time, like, 2 to 3 week, it has been provided almost 20% return. See, whenever we are trading, we have to think like a capturing the momentum. That is how I used to be, trade the future and options. Okay. Uh, with respect to Bank of Baroda, this is also similar pattern, where, Canara Bank is holding, and it is already moved almost. You can see that, like, uh 20-25%. I hope. Let me put again one second. 20%. Okay. So that means whenever you are trading cup pattern, once you enter, just target for the 20 to 25 minimum, target, and keep, SL of 2 to 4% below the resolution point. Resolution point is nothing but the point, the price where the cup pattern is breakout. Keep the SL below 2 to 4% and target for the 20% at least. And if you are entering with confirmation, then enter above the 4% above the resolution point. That means you have a 6 to 8% SL and minimum 20 to 25% reward. That means 1:3, momentum return we can get in all the cup, cup patterns. Okay. So just find out, and you can mention in comments which are the stocks where breaking out from the a cup pattern, so it will be help for all the community. Okay, whoever is, tracking and, watching these videos. Okay. And one more stock is SPI, and usually I don't trade this one, but this has been taken a momentum from 635 to almost 750. That means it's a almost small weekly, small cup, where from 2022 September to almost one and a half year cup, and but still within a 2 week it has been provided a almost 20% return. This is what how, uh, we can use the cup pattern to make a money in a market, because this is a momentum pattern, and where once we confirm and we entered, then we can target for the 20 to 25%. Even this also almost hit almost 20-22%. Okay. So so that is how I, I used to pick up FNO stocks, where uh, the sector has to be bullish. Along with that, within that sector, which stocks are making a cup pattern breakout. Okay. So just I recommend this to be, follow to get the momentum stocks in your basket. Next is Nifty Media. This is the sector where we can find out the shorting opportunities. See, current market is like a volatile. When we don't know this is we don't know when we can get the shorting opportunities based on the Nifty, behavior. So we have to use the upside sectors, and, the sectors which are weak also. So in that, if for example Nifty is at resistance, and if it is rejected from that particular level, then we can use this particular sector to short the stocks, because already it has been rejected from the 60, and in daily also from few days it is below 40. Okay. Weekly, if it is, break the 40, then it is completely bearish. So within this particular sector, we can, use some other stocks to, find the opportunity to the short the stocks. See, Sun TV is one of the stocks where we can, short, if in case, only if in case break below this particular neckline. Okay. This is the CRP. It is at CRP currently, and monthly it is not yet rejected from the 60. Okay, but daily it is weak below 60, and weekly it is between 40 and 60. So just wait. If it is below 600, it is started trading below 600, then we can find out the opportunity where we can short the stock and make opportunity utilize. Okay, because once it started trading below with respect to it could come back to 470 also. So my point is that just wait for confirmation below 600, and once this month particularly, just track this for a shorting purpose. Once it's take a started trading below 600, definitely we can start shorting this particular stock. Second stock within the media sector is a G Entertainment. We already know this is fall like crazy here in this particular price, and it is trying to be come up, but it face again the gap, this gap resistance, particular gap, this area. So now the way is like how to find out the weak stocks within the sector. Already we know that media stock is a media sector is a weak, and if you compare the price and resistance in this area, we could have find out at 300 itself. Okay, we can get one opportunity, second opportunity. Now also it is at 40 support in monthly. Okay, and if it is not sustained at this particular price, this price, okay, so there could be a possibility to be go for definitely 100 So we have to confirm. When we got a confirmation below this area, then we can definitely go ahead for the shorting again this stock, G stock. Okay, right. These are the two stocks where you can use for the shorting purpose within the media sector. Okay, we'll go to other sectors where FMCG. Okay, last week we discussed that FMCG also have some uh, shorting opportunities. Okay, and with the same view it has been broken. It is trading in a negative territory only. Okay, monthly it is bullish, but it is not sustaining the levels, right? If you see bearish signal at this price in monthly, if you see this, it is almost same level. You can see like this. Okay, bearish divergence. It's the same level but not sustained, but in price it went almost different level, like higher high, you can say. So because of this reason we have choose this for a shorting purpose. Within this Jubilant Food, one of the stock we were chosen, and it is took a support. Okay, it is taking a support at this level 14 weekly, and it is started going up. Let's see. At currently it is at good level where we can short. Look at the previous price actions. When it is came to the middle band, it will give a signal to short. I don't until the confirmation, I don't say this will be a shorting opportunity, but definitely we have to track this one, because it came to, it's just like a CIP. I know negative CIP. It already broken, and it came back, and go it may go down. So my view is like if in case in daily chart or hourly, here we got any opportunity below 490 with a proper candle just like this, if in case we got a candle like this, okay, at this 490, then definitely we can utilize this one. Yes, so just my point is that here, just wait for a confirmation below particular price 490. After that you can start trading. Otherwise just leave this. Even I don't recommend this for the buy also, even though it is trading hourly above 60 or daily 40 support. No, I don't, because we have a lot of stocks where trading very well, uh, bullish range. So this is not the stock we have to be buy. We have to wait for the opportunity to sell this one. Okay, my recommendation is that, my just for the educational purpose I can say this one. If it is confirmed this level, then definitely we can start shorting this jubilant food stock. Okay, in other than jubilant food, we can review some other stocks. Look at this. Last week we discussed, if it is breakdown from this particular price range, we can go ahead for the shorting. Okay, weekly and daily it is below 40, monthly already rejected from the 60, and already rejected from the range also. So my point is that, find out the opportunity where we can do shorting, not at all a recommendation for the buying. So we have to wait for the opportunity where you can short this one. I'll just wait. If it is coming again, here something like this, then definitely we can utilize the price action to short these particular stocks. So within FMCG, we have a two strong, short selling stocks. One is Jubilant Food, and here HUL. Will wait for opportunity to short these two. Okay. Okay. Let's discuss about pharma sector. Okay, this is a sector where trading very well, because it's broken from the cup pattern over here, and within this, Alchem is the very strongest stock, and we are recommending from few weeks. Okay, and now it is at, all the RSIs are above 60. Okay, this is a good opportunity for going long by taking a SL, at below this 40 50 to 70. Okay, and other than that, Dr. Reddy, we know that this is also cup breakout, and it is trading very well range. Apart from that, Sun Pharma, this one is a trending stock. Okay, we have to wait for, again as usual, we have to wait for these supports where we can utilize the opportunities. Okay, for this week I have explained about 3 to 4 sectors and the stocks, and there are other sectors which are doing good also, infra and you know definitely other sectors. So in coming days, let me make a separate video on sector basis, sector and sectorial stocks, so it is easy for you people to be go through each video based on the sectors, and make a basket where it is where we have the opportunities. So I'll try to do the in coming week with respect to sector and sectorial stocks review, so that will be help. Okay, okay guys, please subscribe, share with your friends also about this video, and we can see in next video. Okay, thank you so much.